The first Mass in the Philippines, written in the Journal of Antonio Pigafetta. Presented to us by LFCA 122E093 Group 2, with your speaker, Corbilia Jan Romel C. But first of all, who is Antonio Pigafetta? Antonio Pigafetta is the assistant of Ferdinand Magellan on their voyage around the world. He provides and keeps an accurate journal about the voyage and what is happening between those trips. One of the survivors and eyewitness on the first Mass in the Philippines. The Journal of Antonio Pigafetta and its content. The journal holds the record of the whole voyage of Ferdinand Magellan around the world. It also holds a record of how Ferdinand Magellan arrived in the Philippines. Also, records of how Christianity was introduced in the Philippines. And lastly, the journal has records of the first Mass held in the Philippines. To start it off, where was the first Mass in the Philippines was really held? Is it in Butuan or Limasawa? According to Antonio Pigafetta, the first Mass in the Philippines was held in the island of Mazawa in Limasawa, Leyte. According to Antonio Pigafetta's journal, it was held in the shore of Mazawa in Limasawa, Leyte. The date was March 31, 1521. Based on the Catholic calendar, it is Easter Sunday. The priest that presides the Mass was Father Pedro de Valderrama, a chaplain of the Magellan Elcano expedition. But Francisco Albo says it was held in Butuan and not in Limasawa. So where was it really held? You may be asking yourself, who is Francisco Albo? Francisco Albo is one of the pilot of Ferdinand Magellan's ship, the Trinidad. He is a credible source of information of the whereabouts of the location on where was the first Mass was held. He provides us a debate on where was the first Mass in the Philippines was really held. Here are the things that Antonio Pigafetta's proof of the location of the first Mass in the Philippines. Antonio Pigafetta provides an accurate coordinates on where the first Mass was held, and it was on Limasawa, Leyte. Raja Colombo and his brother from Butuan, Raja Siagu, was recorded to be in that Mass. Pigafetta hadn't mentioned a river, which is a distinctive characteristic of Butuan if it was really held in Butuan. Here are more proof that the Mass was held in Limasawa and not in Butuan. According to the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, the island of Mazawa in Limasawa, Leyte is the landmark of the first Mass in the Philippines. The Republic Act 2733 is an act to declare that the site of the first Mass in the Philippines is in Magallanes, also known as Mazawa, Limasawa Island in the province of Leyte. Therefore, the statement of Antonio Pigafetta that the first Mass in the Philippines was held in the island of Mazawa in Limasawa, Leyte is the truth, and it marks as a landmark in the history of the Philippines to be the location of the first Mass. Before this ends, I will leave a question for you. Where did the first Mass in the Philippines was really held? In your opinion or in your belief? Is it in Butuan or in Limasawa? There are two statements that are shown in this presentation. One has proof that it is the only possible way that the first Mass in the Philippines was held in Limasawa and not in Butuan. This is my opinion. For you, what is your answer about it?
ikaw. Pilipinas kong mahal, ang puso ko